What up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, this video is just about a fan. And not just any fan, this new DeWALT fan. I don't usually get excited about fans. I mean, you do sometimes.
I do, yeah, I do.
This guy likes fans. Yeah. I don't. But this fan is actually probably...
Why? What do you got against fans, man?
Well, I mean, dude, how many fans do you get?
I get
you get a fan for 20 bucks at Walmart, a box fan, and you're done.
Yeah,
you know? All these
but this is a lot different than a box fan.
Right, this is definitely a good job site fan. It is from DeWALT. I am kind of a DeWALT fan, but you know, obviously they don't make everything great, right? Nobody makes the best of everything, but this fan they definitely hit a home run on. What do we know about this fan?
Well, it's DeWALT. It's black and yellow.
No.
It's basically it's 3 blades. It's 500 CFM. The one cool thing about this is you can actually run it off a battery, which if you use a 4.0 battery, it's got 7 hours of runtime on high. Or you can use an extension cord and plug it in, which I think is pretty cool. Because then you got unlimited. Exactly.
Hybrid.
So I do like that fact of that. And then right back here, what are these for?
These look like you can hang them on a rafter, something like that, 2x4.
Which is very cool. Then underneath, if you want to put it on a tripod because you want it up high, you can also do that. So
right,
like
it's got both tripod sizes, the big and the little one, which I like.
Exactly.
One thing I noticed right away was just the quality of that switch. That switch just feels quality to me. You know, sometimes they're like all clicky. I mean, this one was just, it clicks, but it feels like it's a solid switch, like it's gonna last the job site.
Well, and the other thing you notice is like when I pick it up, it's heavier, so it's got a heavier base. Where some of the other ones we've tested aren't heavy, so I feel like they fall or they wobble more.
Right.
You know what I mean? Where this is nice and heavy. You know, the one downside to me on this, it retails for about 110 bucks. I think it's a little bit on the hefty side of the price tag. That's without a battery.
But it's a job site construction fan. And going back to the weight part, yes, I like the weight. You ever get those fans that you turn on, these fly away?
Box fans.
Wouldn't it be funny if there was fans that you just turn on?
So it doesn't have an IP54 rated, so like the saying job site is.
Yeah, you can get it wet, it can handle the dust, all that stuff. And I mean, you guys, what you're going to be using this for is not to sit by your couch and turn it on. Some people might, but this is for, you want that paint to dry quickly. You want that mud to dry quickly. That's what this is going to do. And that addition of that tripod just really gives it that added feature of raising it up high and putting it in different locations. Yeah,
and I do like it. Looks like there's 4 screws to be able to take the cover off, which is nice to be able to clean it. Like I know a lot of my fans, like when I was around the house, it's just nice to clean them certain times.
Yeah, they collect dust, stuff like that, and they don't come as aerodynamic, But I mean, honestly, whoever's going to use this fan in 2 months, it's not even going to be yellow anymore. It's going to be covered with paint. It's going to be covered with mud. It's going to be covered with, drywall dust, and it's a job site fan.
And there's so many uses for it besides just having a little bit of airflow in there. If you got a little spill on the floor, you can dry it up, a little paint area you want. So just movement, air movement. So, obviously that's a good aspect of a fan.
Yeah.
Air movement.
Air movement. Wow, this was a riveting video, you guys.
I do have a question for you.
What?
We'll have to talk about that one later on.
No, what?
How come back in 2019, if you sat on the couch, you played video games, watched TV, and ate a bag of chips, you were called a loser? Today, when you do the exact same thing, watch TV, sit on there, you're called a responsible adult.
What?
No, now you gotta stay inside all the time.
Oh yeah, you gotta stay inside. Well, now you can stay on your couch, play games, and make tons of money on YouTube. That's what we should do. That's it. We're sure. What if?
Oh, you know what? You are so right. Like my kids watch these games.
I do. I watch gamers
all the time, and they sit in front of them. Like I ask my kids, I'm like, "Don't you want to play instead of watch someone else play?" They're like, "Oh, we just want to see tips and tricks," and they get all into it. They're like, "These guys are cleaning house."
You know what I watch? It's really cool. This guy named Jeff Fabiano or something like that. He's like an adult like us, but he basically does.
Well, thanks for considering me an adult.
Well, no, but
my
he
wife always tells me the
stuff.
opposite.
But Grand Theft Auto, you can turn it into like LSFPDR, which is like a police simulator. I mean, I keep spitting. Sorry. Police simulator, but dude, it is funny, man, because they just drive around and do all this. Oh my god, I watch it for hours.
The graphics you showed me from that game,
with the fire truck,
insane.
With the fire truck,
yes,
yeah, I just sent it to you.
Insane.
Yeah, we'll put a link to him at the bottom, you guys. He's a really cool YouTuber. Something cool to watch if you're bored, I mean,
which I'm sure everyone is right now, being stuck at home.
It's just fun, So whatever, you guys. Don't forget to check out our sponsors: Lowe's, Pros, and Southwire. We're right now for $24.88. You get this 3-piece set. If you're an electrician, if you're not an electrician, for that kind of money, it's good to have at the house. Either way, and you can get DeWALT at Lowe's too. Peace out, you guys.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.